day all. We are back here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay to do a little bit of roller coaster riding, a lot of eating, and to enjoy this day. This sounds like something that you're interested in. Please join me. We're here on the 19th. It looks like the Beer Fest is starting on the 21st of July, going through September 4th. So if you're a beer drinker, you might want to check that out. Very low-key day at the park today. Doesn't seem to be booming. Very excited. First ride up today is Iron Gwazi. They haven't quite opened yet. They're still doing testing. We arrived at the park around 5 till 10. Park open. So hopefully they'll get this tested and get this line moving. Very excited to ride this. Will be my first ride on Iron Gwazi. And I'll go ahead and insert a ride through of the ride in the video, but yeah, looks great. Really excited. Glad you're here to take this trip with me. Really excited today, guys. I've got some of my wife's family with me, my father-in-law, my nephew, and mother-in-law here. So we're going to enjoy this park. And I've been looking forward to coming back here for quite some time. This will be the first time I brought you along with me. I'm glad you're here and ready to ride these rides. Well, guys, I just got off Iron Gwazi, and that is an awesome ride. Lots of inversions, lots of airtime. I would say that the first full corkscrew will take you by surprise because you're already in airtime when you hit that. That is like the craziest element of the ride. So you're already lifted up, and then they're gonna do the corkscrew. It's just crazy. So definitely recommend. I'm sure you're coming here, you're gonna ride that. But that will wake you up in the morning, I'll tell you. So it was lunchtime, and we decided to stop off at Zagora Cafe in the front of the park. We'd all purchased the dining plan, and I decided to start my meal with the cheese sticks. These were pretty good cheese sticks. Kind of big, not a standard size frozen cheese stick. I believe they may have been made in-house. The cheese stick itself was just great, very tasty. The marinara was nothing to write home about. There wasn't a whole lot really for the order of cheese sticks that you received. There wasn't really enough marinara for them. Next, I tried the chicken tenders. Now, these were rather on the bland side. They tasted quality, but they were just very under-seasoned. Really no flavor to them. And then I also got the garden salad. This was a bit of a surprise. Although the portion was small for the amount that I paid, I believe it was $12.99. It did come with corn, which was a little bit unusual. And the produce was really fresh. And the cheese did taste like it was grated as well. It didn't have that additive texture that you get from the pre-grated or pre-shredded cheese. So overall, the quality of the food was all good. I wish there was more seasoning to the chicken tenders. And again, this was a very pricey meal had I not had the dining plan for the day. That I've ridden quite a few times. Very enjoyable, very smooth ride. I will say that this time the restraint system felt a little bit more limiting, even more so than Iron Gwazi. So if you're someone of unusual proportions, it might be a concern. But a fun ride as always. Well guys, we walked back here. But looks like Kumba's closed right now. Maybe it'll open later on the day. But for right now, go. We're gonna see if we can find tigers. Nothing like a classic scorpion ride with an inversion, old school, perfect inversion. Now we're gonna try, or I'm gonna try to ride Falcon's Fury. See how this works. All right, guys. Next up, we're gonna attempt Falcon Fury. It's a big drop. Kind of nervous. Alright guys, so I just got off Falcon's Fury, and I was telling my father-in-law it's about the last time and first time I've riding that. In a real sense, you feel like your weight's being supported by the shoulder harness and the lap belt device. And if you don't exactly feel trusting in those devices, it's a little bit scarier than it needs to be. So for me, I think that's about it. Let's see what else we've got to get in today. What's up, buddies? Staying cool? Alright guys, we're on one of my favorite rides here, Cheetah Hunt. Just like the name implies, this ride goes up to 65 miles an hour. This is a dual launch coaster. Very fun, very thematic. Highly recommended. It's been a while since I've been on this coaster, but I'm ready to ride it.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I did turn in a request with park staff to let them know that my phone was lost, and they did go ahead and notify me as soon as it was found. So just ventured back down to Tampa and picked up the phone. So I'm very happy. The screen's not broken or anything else like that. So can't make these videos without a camera. So I'm so glad that it's back and it's working. And yeah. So I'm going to try to finish up this video and see what I can show you guys. Again, I forgot to record an outro to this video, so I just wanted to tell you thank you for watching. If you like what I do, please jive, like, and subscribe. I am TJ the Park Bopper. I hope you have a great rest of your week.